Right, let's go set up more of my truck. What do we have here? I have my new bin. Don't know where it's gonna go yet. I have my coffee machine, my kettle, and my new curtains. I can't wait to open them and to see and feel how they feel. Morning guys, today is 26th of March and I'm going to set up my lorry. I've got nice beautiful new curtains from HGV Truck Curtains. They are on Instagram, they are on Facebook, they are everywhere. Oh, soft. In the tracker everywhere. And what I did ask her to do is to embroider the inside of the curtain rather than outside, so that when I'm asleep nobody knows it's Lena Troker that's asleep inside. So first thing first, I'm going to take those off. These already got nice clips in here. Do I want to undo them and have a look quickly? Maybe there's nothing on the inside. Oh well, at least I have curtains that are nice and velvety. Nothing on the outside, which is good, but also nothing on the inside. Okay, that's a bit rubbish. That's not what I asked. Oh well, I'm keeping them anyway because they came out cheaper than the actual Volvo ones. There are 4 and they are really nice. Soft. Blackout ones as well, so exactly what I need. Let's go try for those old ones to take those off. Right, how do I undo these? I don't know. Oh yeah, look at this, I think. This might be interesting. Ugh, I can't do it. Jeez, I'll be here all day. One by one. Okay. Yeah. Sheesh, my goose. There is a knock to it, I see. Oh, you're fixing my aircon here for it. It's a bit squeaky if we do it. But it doesn't matter because...
You good?
Yeah, one side so far. Okay, let's do some work. Okay, let's check this out. How do you like that? Wow. Nice and cozy. Yeah, nothing on the inside. She did not embroider anything. But I can always put Lena Trokers in myself. You love it? I love it. Next side. These are pretty much already done. Ripped. Let's do this all over again. My air freshener smells very good in here. Yeah!
Lena,
Yeah.
just drive forward a little bit for me.
Okay. I can do that. I like driving forwards a little bit. He always finds what's wrong where, hey, that feels colder. Maybe he's fixed it. aircon on and see what happens. Okay. Something's stuck. I don't know if you can see that, but inside there's like a paper or something. It was like stuck. Man. But it does feel colder than yesterday. Yeah. So far so good. Right, the curtains. The curtains of my home. So for the thingies, I think I need to take that little bit off. Little round thing off. Maybe with a screwdriver and put mine in the Troker ones on. Still hot. But it's blowing cold, so. Michael, have you got a screwdriver? Last one. Yes, my job here is done. Look, to take these off. Oh yeah. I want this. Don't need you, thanks.
It's blowing cold air. It's not.
I know it, right? I'm trying not to jinx it. I just turned it up. And I'm hoping.
It does want regassing. What are you gonna do with that?
Well, I'm gonna put these on.
Oh, so you don't need this no more?
No.
Do you know what that could be? A bonnet?
Yeah, a bonnet thing. Could you pass me that thing I just dropped, the circle thing? Thank you.
Don't over tighten that because it's plastic.
I wanna.
We can switch this off now.
Could you shut the door, please?
Can we switch it off?
Yeah.
You can open your sunroof as well.
You know, Sunroof, look, when it opens, it drags the thing with it. How do I get rid of that? Huh?
I don't know. I'll have to look at it.
Hold on.
I'll have a look at it.
First time I've opened it, you opened it without that dragger. Press it down. Over. Down. Because I don't mind sunshine, but it's not letting me. Oh, my finger got stuck. It was away. Fixed it. That's as far as it goes. Right, let's carry on with this job. This goes here, this goes here. And let's not drop it. Perfect. But how do I tie it again? What's this? What is this gonna go after? Ah, spider! Shush, my bish. How have I got a spider here? It's probably because of the sunroof. Where's it gone? Ah! Let's see, let's open the window first. God damn it. Ah! They say if there is a spider, it means I'll have money, so my Troker will bring me money. Bye! I'm gonna give somebody else money too. Because it's definitely blowing a bit of cold here. Lovely jubbly. So to be fair, these are a bit useless on me. It's not like I'm gonna have it like proper like cover it. Oh yeah, that needs fixing yet. Proper like covering half of their windows down, and then this. Goodness, it looks alright, doesn't it? But we'll see what hobby says. What am I supposed to? So if I drive like this, you can see I'm leaning a Troker, sort of. Not properly, but you know. Anyway, that's a good idea. Let's test them all closed, shall we? If it doesn't fall off of here. Bye.
Gonna hit the ground running, baby, I'm running, baby, I'm running, 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 running. Gonna hit the ground running,
that for you. You like? Ta-da! Beautifulness test, beautifulness test. Now, if not for the sunroof, it'll be quite dark in here. Wait. Let's see, that thing will. Oh yeah, there we go. Well, that thing. Whoa, I can totally go to sleep, relax, and it's the middle of the day. Doesn't matter if I work days or nights. Job's a good one. Proper blackout, proper lovely. Leather delight. Fantastic. Right, next we're going to wash the fridge. I got some, didn't bring any soap. I got some nice warm water, but maybe Michael's gonna have something washable. Let's go ask him and check out our curtains from outside. Might as well. You'd never know who's in there. Whoa. I left Melina at home. I was driving somewhere else, so I took my name out. Good, aren't they? Wait. You love it, you love it. You'd never know I'm asleep in there, would you?
You got a little truck on the inside?
No, he hasn't, you know. I don't know why, but I bet I can like stick it up whatever else I've got, you know. I've done this, but obviously this one's got the same ending as the other one, so it's not like I can't clip into anywhere. So they're pretty useless, aren't they?
Form of different.
So what I'm going to do probably is stitch this on the inside of the curtain, done.
Oh yeah.
A bit broken, a bit temperamental, but you know, it's work in progress. It's not going to fall out of there, is it though? I hope not. So yeah, I'm going to just take this off. I should use the older one just in case I do need it. And I'm going to use them on somewhere else. Anyway, they were cheap enough, so I'm not going to complain too much. I'm just gonna live with them. This one's much easier to work. That could work. One on this side, one on that side. Happy days, happy days. It'll go somewhere. I won't waste it. It's so soft and beautiful. Okay, so this is what I'm thinking. My bin, don't know where it's gonna live yet. For now, it's gonna double up as a washing bucket, hopefully. Oh, nice. I can mount it somewhere. Don't blinking nowhere. Anyway, it'll probably go in the football there eventually. Okay, so what I have is some washing up liquid. I'm gonna go in there. Then I should have some water somewhere. Hot flask of water here. Okay, so I'm gonna use my drinking water because I can't be bothered. Next, we have cloths and oh yeah, more beer. I'll go in the fridge in a minute. Okay, Lena Troker, let's do this. I'm gonna have one of these and one of these and one of these. And then, my dear friends, let's get down and dirty. Don't know if it works. It's switched on. Let's get down to business. Before I go any further, I might just do this side. Alright, there's no top to this one, but there's a whole new drawer. do this one. Yeah, it's definitely cold. Thank God. One thing less to fix. It's not actually as dirty as I thought. It's just stained. That's why it looks nasty. But it's not too bad. Nothing I can't handle. Yeah. Yeah. Somebody had egg in here. And pubic hair for some reason. Nasty. Maybe somebody's bum got too hot, so they decided to cool it off. More hair, but at least this one's mine now. And not my bum hair. My hair. My head hair. Okay, that should do it. Let's do some wet wipes. Anti-back ones. Oh, they smell good. It's clean. Nothing else is coming out. Just nooks and crannies. Really. But even that doesn't want to come out anymore. Yeah. That'll do it. Well, never in my life I've cleaned anything in my truck as thoroughly as this, because they never ever were mine. Ugh. Look at me now, all clean, disinfected, beautiful. If I touch it by accident whilst driving, not that would, not whilst driving, but at least I won't get myself food poisoning. Okay, I think I've had enough of the fridge. How much space here is there compared to home and wherever else? Right, now it turns back into a bin. Let's dry it off. Let's use one of the old bin liners for now, just to use them up. It's not as pretty, but functionable. Oh, this poo. For now, it'll just live there, I suppose. That is not a bad spot. Maybe. It might wriggle, but you know what? Maybe I could cable tie with something to somewhere. Don't know. It's work in progress. For now, though, I'm pretty happy that I've done the job that I wanted to do today. I wonder if I've got cream in here somewhere. Yeah. So, fun. We've done the curtains, we've done the fridge. Okay, I feel clean now. Didn't bring a hoover. But I'll do the floors later. When I'm actually trucking, when I'm ready to go. Good places, real places. There we go. Let's see if I've got any shout outs for you guys. Instagram posted the picture, told you who would like a shout out with my husband's name on it, just cause, in case you want to follow him. Andre Love says great videos. Thank you, Andre. James Flatters, great video, keep up good work. Thank you, James. Edward Spencer, make new videos YouTube. Yes, I'm making one right now just for you. Thank you, Edward, for commenting every time. Mark Macab, watched your YouTube video today, is another great video. Thank you very much, Mark. It's Rainbow Plays, says he would like a shout out, please. No problem. Ian Merritt, quick shout out to you as well. Thank you for watching. Thank you for reaching out. Thomas John Ty. Hello Thomas, thank you for watching. A massive shout out to your wife Hilda as well. Hi Lena, take care of those new boots. They are too expensive to replace. Please give my wife Hilda a shout out if you can. She watches your videos with me and always says how funny you are. Thank you Hilda. Can't wait for you to start earning money with your truck and seeing how you make the Volvo into your home on wheels. Half of it is already documented and I hope you're liking it, so that's the one for you. Love your videos, Lena, take care of yourselves and please keep them coming. Good luck, your operator license. I know you will do well, Tom and Hilda. Thank you very much guys. Yes, we've got our whole license now. We're just waiting for the end of the month, which is only 4 days away now, so hopefully we will sign the contract with somebody who pays well, and Bob's my uncle, and then I'm off working. That's the plan. Dave Cox, Lena, love your videos, super impressed with your tire fitting, and you and your husband are a good team. You're both amazing. Can I have a shout out on your next video please? Of course you can. Thank you for watching, Dave. Thank you for connecting. Have a good Mother's Day from Peter Wally. Thank you very much. Speaking of Mother's Day, I've got an early Mother's Day present. Ta-da! So basically this is my license, isn't it? And it has to go into the window, and my kids, because I'm coming to Mallory today, not tomorrow, they got me this little thing. So this goes in the window like this, and I can stare at my Lena Troker out the window. Somewhere over the window. Oh, well, that'll do. No, I don't like askew actually. I need it done properly, don't I? There we go. Now we can check operator licenses in. Lena Troker is in. Happy days, happy Mother's Day to me. I love it. Thanks guys, thanks kids. Wowie, that is so cool. I'm one lucky mother trucker. So Mother's Day, that looks good actually, matches everything and it's nice. Makes me feel super special. Right, do we have any more shout outs? Happy Mother's Day, thank you Peter. I'll be celebrating tomorrow. Peter Wally, you've commented again to Lena Troker. You did a good job on your new fitting new tires on your new truck. Have a good week and see you in your next video from your #1 fan Peter. Thank you. PS, have a good rest and have a glass of wine and chill. Yes I will. I'm having a Strongbow as we speak. Yeah, because it's the weekend. Love watching your videos on YouTube. Can I have a shout out please from Timothy Greatrick? Thank you for watching, Timothy. Lovely to see you in here. Kevin Davis, thank you for watching. Would love a shout out please. No problems. Thank you. Only Me says, please put a link. Robert Daly, comment on my post. Hi Robert Daly. Only Me, put a link to your husband YouTube page, thanks. My husband is truck.mechanic on YouTube, but I don't think if you Google his videos they don't pop up yet. He's only got 2 or 3. He's not very active on there, and I keep trying to get him to do another video. He will soon, I'm sure. We'll work on something. Lee Fury. Lee, thank you for watching. Hi Lena, give me a shout out. I think you're amazing. Thank you Lee. I think you're also amazing. Yeah. And thank you for watching. Yes? When are we going to do a YouTube video for your channel, people are asking?
Monday we'll do the ABS and then just release it once you've done it.
Can you clean the handles now? Oh thanks. Yes as well. Can you take that washing up liquid back if you want it? It's in the door just now. So his YouTube will get more and more busy, I'm sure. A massive shout out to Trucker Jammer. Hello dude, he is also a vlogger. He is also on Instagram and we have gone live. We were just chatting on Instagram live on Friday. If you go to Instagram and hashtag Band of Truckers UK, every Friday they do a live at midday, and you know, it wasn't too bad. I didn't get too nervous or anything like that, so I think I might do another one on Friday. We'll see how it goes. So that was loads and loads of fun. Thank you for watching, guys. I think that's the end of me. Thank you for watching. I hope it wasn't too boring for you, just doing some maintenance and cleaning and housework in my home from home. Please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up on this one if you want, or thumbs down if you don't want. If you think this one's a little bit boring. Subscribe, hit the bell. Follow me on Instagram, lena.troker. I hope I will see you next week in my next video. Have a lovely weekend, guys.